Hi everybody, my name's Eddie with Uniform Bright. I'm here to talk about today Vestis and the automatic renewal clause that is in your contract, or the otherwise known as the Evergreen clause. Now, this is a clause they have in there. Now Vestis Corporation, or even Aramark, if they still go by that name, theirs is unique from all of the other uniform rental companies in the fact that you have to send it basically starting from 90 days to the end of the contract and no later than 30 days before the end of the contract. I think that's generally how it works. And so it's another reason why these uniform rental contracts are so one-sided, so unconscionable that it makes it really difficult. And the way you get over that is to go to Outlook, set a reminder in there so that you know when your uniform rental contract is up with Vestis Corporation. But anyway, that's the way you deal with that. And then when you get to that date, what you're gonna have to do is send out a letter, which I can draft for you. Only charge $100, and I throw some other benefits in there, that letter that gives you some more rights in case certain things happens. But send that letter out, and generally you gotta send it out to your general manager, certified mail with return receipt requested. I can oversee all of that, but you want to make sure you do it the right way, because if you don't, guess what's going to happen? You're going to renew for another 5 years. You're thinking to yourself, I'm going to be out of this. No problem. I'm done. Look, you're going to call them like 2 weeks before the actual contract date is up, and they're going to say, guess what? Sorry, you should have canceled like between 3 months and 1 month before the contract ended. And now we got you guys another 5 years. So don't let Vestis Corporation do that to you. I'm here to help. I work in California, in all of the United States. I work in Canada as well. Like, subscribe, send it to your friends. Don't forget to send me a copy of your invoice, a copy of your contract, and my first call is always free. I'll help you out if I can do so without charging you. But anyways, we'll see you on the next video, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.